Annie? Clarabelle! It's Mr. Conductor! We found him! Hey, wait a minute. That's not... Oh, no, that's Junior.
Hey, Thomas. It's been a while. I know you hadn't seen me since
You stuffed party poppers down in my funnel while I was sleeping last night.
Oh, come on. My boyfriend and I had a laugh.
Yeah, you did. It took me 2 hours to clean them out.
You're talking to each other.
First time, eh? Thomas, Lilly. Lilly, Thomas.
Hello, Lilly. Welcome to Sodor. So now that you're here, just a little word of advice. Do not trust Junior.
I did very well on trains.
No, you don't. You got train sick, remember?
He's just joking. Aren't you, Thomas?
Yeah, sure. Do not trust all the talking engines. Wow, that's just rude.
Come on, Lilly. Let's go.
Sorry I had to leave you behind, Annie and Clarabelle. But don't worry. I'm sure Percy will fetch you. We will never, Thomas.